Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can make zoom in, zoom out and X and Y transition effects using keyframes on CapCut. So here you need to add your clips, and in this case I'm using 3 clips. So I'm going to just start from the first clips. So just click on the first clip. I'm going to make zoom in and out transition, add a keyframe at the beginning and a second keyframe in here. Okay, and then after that zoom in on it. So zoom in on the second keyframe like this, and then after that add another one in at the end here and in the center, and after that on the third keyframe, so here the one on the center, zoom out the clip, and after that go in between the second and third keyframe and go to grab, select the ease out one, and for the last two keyframes select ease in one. Click on a check icon and now move to the next clip, add 2 keyframes at the beginning in here like this, and then zoom out on the second keyframe. No, I mean zoom in on a second keyframe like this, and then after that go to grabs and select ease out one. Click on a check icon and add 3 keyframes at the end of the clips like this. 1, 2, and the one at the end. And 3. And now on the second keyframes in here, the center one, move the clip up, and then while on the last keyframe move the clip down. Okay, and in between these keyframes here, go to grab, select the ease out one, and for the next 2 keyframe ease in one. Click on a check icon, and now on the third clip add keyframe in the beginning and zoom in the clip like this and move the clip up. Okay, move forward a bit and then add another keyframe and select ease out one on the grab. Click on a check icon and now add 3 keyframes at the end of the clips. 1, 2, and 3. And now on a second keyframe, move the clip to the left and move it to the right on the last keyframe. Okay, and in between the first keyframe in here, go to grab, select ease out one, and for the last 2 keyframe ease in one. And now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.